Alright, first impressions, I like it. Rubs a little here, so I just got to figure out the most comfortable way to wear it, but overall I quite like it. Yeah, and it's heavy enough. I just tried to do a little bit of running. I think I've only ran once in a weight vest doing a Murph challenge a couple of years ago, and it's just what it does to your diaphragm, just kind of restricts your breathing. But overall, it should be fun. Nice little sort of enhancement on body weight. Welcome to a new episode of Resolute Fitness. We are here today in the apartment. I say we, it's just me. In the apartment, we've got these little conference rooms. I was going to go into the studio, but there's somebody in there on the spinning bike, so it's a little bit noisy. So today, just ordered a weight vest. It's one of the sort of, it's not the tactical 5110, whatever it's called. It's a different one by Powr Performance. I'm going to put the link for them. Basically, for about a few years now, I've always wanted a weight vest, but haven't been able to sort of justify the price. And as a little sort of gift to myself, I decided I was gonna get myself one. So this is the one I've got. Kind of looks like the military bulletproof vest, but it's not a bulletproof vest. It's just designed to look that way. But those that are from sort of the CrossFit world will be familiar with these. The few companies that are doing them now, but I found the Powr Performance, they had a little bit of a discount code on there, and yeah, it was pretty easy to order. So I put some 20-pound weights in there. Well, it adds up to 20 pounds. And to be honest, I found it quite difficult, so Emily did it. And here is Emily doing that for me. Looks like you're delivering a cow. That could just film you. Yeah, so they unravel.
What for?
To open.
Oh, is that on the other side too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I undid them all.
Oh, was I supposed to put them back for?
Maybe. Try and get the video. I think there might be a video. I shall try and do that. Got it. Yeah, that's what I was getting stuck on.
These might go like crisscross down here. I didn't put it on.
I've done this side a lot quicker.
If there's a video, you might want to watch that just to make sure.
Should have maybe watched this first, shouldn't I? I'm getting patient.
Yeah, you got excited.
Isn't it? Really?
I figured it out.
I figured it out. These plates are never coming out, ever. Okay, so after about 10 minutes of getting the plates in there, luckily you don't have to keep changing it out. Them weights are just going to stay in there and I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, it came today in a box and then it was wrapped in plastic. Should be in the video now. And then, so let's have a look. You've got little supporting wires here into the little Velcro straps. You've got the shoulder straps. What I like about these is they've got the padding in there and they've got the sort of mesh to make them breathable, which is good for sweating. Inside, we've got the pads, four pads for your chest and for your stomach. So when you're running and it's bashing against you, you've got a little bit of protection there. And again, they've got the mesh, which is perfect for sweating, basically. We've got the back and the front. Okay, so the front is so you can stick the patches on. Basically, it's got that material. So I'll probably design a Resolute Fitness one at some point and put it on there. And then on the side, similar to the tactical vests, it has a nice big sort of thick strap to go around. And that is pretty much it. The weights go into the bottom and this all opens up. And then you're pretty much good to go then. It seems pretty secure. I've not tested it yet, but that will be another video. Okay, so for those that don't know, I'm 6'3". And this is the vest up against me. Seems a good size straight off the bat. It's got the front, you know that, because of the sort of the, I don't know. This is the front. The front has the Velcro here, and you can see the wires on that bit. And then basically, just whack it over your head, into there like so. And then I believe, I don't know what I do with these. This bit pulls up, goes around here like so, the strap. That strap goes around there, boom, and then this should go down over them, and then there's little Velcro things that go underneath, and then you are good to go. So yeah, hopefully this does the trick. Straps don't feel too bad, maybe make it a little bit bigger, but other than that, quite like it. So yeah, next video will probably be wearing the vest. Again, to undo it, just pull them up there. Come off like so, like that. Over my big head. Perfect.
cool. Maybe just keep the label just in case, like, next to with it. Yeah.
Alright, weight vest, 2 plates. There it is. Alright, let's unbox it. Beautiful. Okay, quick video, just opening the Powr vest there. Yeah, I'll let you know how that one goes. Okay, thanks for watching. If you could like, subscribe, much appreciated, and I will be back soon.